Hey YouTube, I'm Tyler, and these fine people will be helping me show off some Kinect guns. This is gonna be the first one. It's a machine gun that I built. Don't know how many bullets it holds, but let's find out. Okay, now we are gonna fire it. Now, ready?
52 bullets coming at you. That was awesome.
Yeah, look at that. Basically, how it works is that there's it takes these bullets, like Kinect shows, but you put it on the chain, hook these onto the chain, and then when it moves up, these force them off the chain, which launches them.
And there's other Kinect stuff that we want to show off.
This is a low-powered gun. That's like a machine gun, but it only fires one bullet. Basically, the bullet's right here, and this is how you load. This is how you load it, like that. Take this, put it right here.
Then you fire.
Like that. Yeah, you can tell that we already did many tests. Okay, here is my most recent made gun. It takes bullet shells and Kinect pieces. And this is a storage. Okay, this is how you load it. Guns are giving me a hard time. This piece slides right in to block this hammer from getting in. And it goes right here. And this right here helps keep it in. You ready? Yeah. Now we're going to show off the second bullet. Like that. Problem with firing off bullet shells.
Here's the other thing made of Kinects.
Okay, not right now. That's another video. Okay. Basically, you pull the hammer back just like the other bullet. You put this bullet shell in here. However, it does not go all the way in, so it will fall out if you're not careful. Yeah.
Oops.
Here is this gun. Don't know what, I forget what it's called.
Oh,
but you just pull this back and put the bullet right in here like that. Yeah, I'll move. Try find another gun that we can use. Okay, you ready? Yeah, that's fast. Hello? Hello, YouTube? Here's another gun. It's a pistol. Now, the bullets are literally on the gun now. So I broke it a little bit. Hang on. Okay, now this is how you load it. You pull this, and you take a bullet, put it right in here. Okay, you ready? Wow. Get the gun and did you press play? Okay, this is the crossbow. Okay, you are recording. This is the crossbow and here is the bullet case. You can literally wear it on your belt. I designed it for that. And that's how you open it. And close it. And this is the bullet, crossbow bullet. Now let's load it. You pull the band back like that. It's one at a time or else it will break on me. And then you put the bullet in like that, hooking it onto the rubber band. Now let's fire it.
That was good.
Is he playing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is the shotgun that I built. The first gun that I built. Now, okay, this is how you load it. This is the bullets. And basically, this is what you do to load it. Pull this. So this slides in. Put this in the barrel, like that. Put this white piece right here. Oh, looks like it's messed up a bit. Looks like someone was using my guns. Okay,
Mommy?
you put the bullet in like that. Then you put this white piece in. Then you pull this back. Okay, come on. Also, this rubber band goes all the way down. And
Fire.
this is how you fire it.
Fire. Ow! That hurt.
Pause it.
This is what the bullet looks like.
What? Alright, this is the last gun. This is the clip. And this is the bullet in the clip. And yeah, there's fireworks going out. So,
The dog's scared.
yeah, she came into the room as soon as fireworks went off. Okay. Also, the dog's name is Lexi. This is
You
how
can see her in
load
the
it.
background.
This is how you load it. You put this clip in like that. You push this in.
Lexi.
Push this in.
Her head's under the bed.
And then this is what you do last. This is what you do last. That. And then
Pull it back.
sometimes this gets stuck on it.
Lexi, stop. Lexi. And she's under.
And this is pause it. Is it playing? Okay, sorry, the rubber band broke for the hammer. Alright, now let's shoot it. This has 3 bullets in it. You recording it?
Mom wants to be Jana. Okay. Let's wait 1 second.
You hear all the fireworks?
Mhm.
That one was big, right?
Lexi.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.